Hi, I'm Jennifer Velo, owner and pastry chef of the Next Sweet Thing Bakery in Mayberry Square. Right now is important to support us local businesses just because everyone's hunkering down and this is a critical time for us to get orders in that people might not normally place, and all local businesses right now are in just such a need of their customers' support. Well, everybody has been laughing about the short supply of toilet paper for weeks now, and I was trying to think of something that I could make at the bakery that wouldn't, turn people off too much, and I thought the toilet paper cookies have been really funny and we want to bring a smile to people's faces right now, so I just thought, well, I could turn a flag cookie cutter into a little toilet paper roll and just went with it, and right away people really loved them and they've been a hit. Our DIY cookie kits, right now we're doing a spring one. We will be offering an Easter one very soon. It includes 12 cookies for the spring kit, 3 colors of frosting already bagged up for you, and then a little bag of sprinkles. And so all you have to do is cut the bags open and frost away. It's been unbelievable how much support we've received with these cookie kits and just orders in general, even for our toilet paper cookies. We can totally tell that people are just really trying to support us, and we are getting so many new customers, which is amazing. So I'm overwhelmed and very thankful by the amount of support from the community.